Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your 2023 Mercedes S-Class? Wondering which fuse controls what in your car? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2023 Mercedes S-Class protects and controls power distribution to critical engine, cooling, and safety systems. Interior fuse box left side. The interior fuse box left side in the 2023 Mercedes S-Class protects the electrical circuits for interior features like lighting, infotainment, climate control, and power accessories. Interior fuse box right side. The interior fuse box right side in the 2023 Mercedes-Benz S-Class distributes and protects electrical circuits for passenger side amenities, such as rear cabin lighting, seat adjustments, window mechanisms, and USB power outlets. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box in the 2023 Mercedes-Benz S-Class safeguards and distributes power to rear area systems like trunk lighting, USB sockets, and optional entertainment or sensor modules. The additional fuse box in the luggage compartment of the 2023 Mercedes-Benz S-Class supplements the primary luggage fuse box by protecting and managing power circuits for optional components.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative videos.
Thanks for watching.